This video shows you how to use a Mohs technique to assess the neurovascular bundles in radical prostates. This bit of equipment supplies liquid nitrogen to a chamber. The liquid nitrogen comes through a channel and then up through the red circled area, providing a concentrated freezing area. Radical prostate is received from theatre with the areas marked by the surgeon for the neurovascular bundles. Do not ink the outside. A wedge is then cut from the posterior surface of the prostate using the scalpel. This tissue is removed and the capsular surface is placed down onto a slide. This is then placed over the liquid nitrogen and frozen to the slide. Mountant can be applied around the edge. Again, further liquid nitrogen applied, freezing it to the slide. It's covered on top, and then the chuck is placed into the slot of this, and more cryo mountant is placed on. The slide with the tissue attached is placed on top. A petri dish is placed on top of all this, and the chamber is formed, and liquid nitrogen then flows around the slide and the chuck, freezing them together. A bit more is applied to the surface. Then using a warmed piece of metal, the glass slide is removed from the tissue. Further liquid nitrogen just applied on the surface, and then it can be cut. These are the frozen sections, 3 levels, of the whole of the neurovascular bundle. After fixation, the tissue is then cut up in a standard way. One side is inked blue. This is the side which was cut for the Mohs. The other side inked green. Bouillons is applied to fix the inks, and the specimen is dried. It's cut up transversely and placed into cassettes. If this tissue had been examined transversely, it would have generated 8 separate pieces, each for frozen section, requiring 8 frozen sections. The radical prostate sections look like this, with the red triangular areas of the pieces removed. I'd like to thank the Mohs surgeon for giving us a hand with this technique.